Workers for Federal Capital Development Authority (FCDA) Secretariat for Abuja don begin 3-day protest wey start from June 30 go reach July 2, 2025. The protest na under the Joint Union Action Committee (JUAC) of the Federal Capital Territory Administration (FCTA). Dem dey protest against FCT Minister Nyesom Wike because he never answer dem on top plenty wahala wey concern staff welfare. This one include say dem never promote staff since 2023, wahala with how salary dey come and money wey dem never pay, and some illegal deductions from workers' money.
And it's true. He doesn't want to know whether staff come to work. And they stand here to tell the whole world that Wike is confronting God because of the kickback he gets. He is now planning to go and integrate after immigration into HEs so that we grab all the bags and gardens and distribute to his brothers and to his family. We will never stand it. The welfare of the over 27,000, 30,000 staff. It doesn't happen in the gap for them. No overhead for the departments and the SDAs. Nothing. So, no training, no promotion, no welfare. The salaries are not paid. And when they are paid so late, it will spill over to the next month before we take our salary. How much is the salary? Peanut. Peanut. All the cleaners that clean all the offices, they are sacked them. If you go to the satellite towns, you will see mountains of refuse. Abuja satellite towns development agency but not clean the streets.
Dis protest come after many months wey workers for FCT don dey vex, wey strike don affect primary health centers, government schools and area council secretariat. Now Nigeria Labour Congress, NLC and other union people don warn say if government no do something before July 3rd, dem go carry the protest go next level and even shut down Abuja. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimo, TMC News.